Hello, my name is Plaman. I would like to share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party libraries reported in the National Vulnerability Database. These include OpenJDK, Apache Tomcat Coyote, and Jackson. Refer to the third-party software and licenses document for a complete list. Routes that consist only of routing steps can now run faster by using the original file instead of copying it into a sandbox folder. For more information, see the SecureTransport admin guide. The embedded MariaDB has been upgraded, causing a change in the reverting procedure. Check the README for more information. Besides that, this release is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of any existing release. The theme settings page has undergone a makeover with a better content organization and a new look. The REST API has a new resource, Events, that allow inspection and deletion of events in emergency situations, and a configuration option for automatic event recovery if the executing thread dies. We have been busy since the last delivery enhancing and improving the documentation set. Those updates include adding details about how to remove and install product updates and how to remove alt updates from the file system in the installation guide. Improving the details for installation on Red Hat Enterprise Linux with Security Linux enabled. Updating the list of supported AV and DOP products in the administration guide, and enhancing information about plugins installed on the node before adding it to a cluster. Thanks for watching. Install this release using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.